Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I am back with a Fab Fit Fun box. It is down here. It is very big. In the past, they like double boxed it, but I'm glad to see they're not doing that. That really saves. And so I've just opened it. I haven't taken anything out yet, but and I haven't even removed like the packaging, so I have no clue what's down there. So let's see what we've got here. Now, this is the packaging on top. And for all my junk journal friends, save the packaging. You can use it. It is perfect. It's a really nice weight packaging, and you can totally use it. So, let me see here. I'll get the papers. Whoops, sorry. Didn't mean to bump y'all. So there's Katie Couric. That is fun. So this one is the winter 2020. So as many of you know, our post office is struggling to get things out. So I just picked this up. Yeah, a couple of days ago. Yeah, it obviously went out in December. So I know, and it wasn't because it got lost here at the house. It got lost there. So anyways, but isn't she gorgeous? So beautiful. So yep, there you go. Lots of extra cute goodies, and all of these go straight into my junk journaling pile. I don't use all those. I know it sounds terrible, but I don't use the coupons. So, all right, let's see. Oh, we've got some more papers here. Oh, we got a sticker. I'm going to put that in my planner. I've got these, so more goodies. And these are perfect for journaling, guys. I'm sorry. They really are. I know they're advertisements and I appreciate them, but keeping it real, keeping it real. Okay, so I'm just going to grab two things at a time. Ooh, these are so good. I've had these before. We've had the boxes, and I'll probably give this to my husband, dark chocolate, nuts, and sea salt. I'll save that for our anniversary. Ooh, what is this? What is that? Divine Danger. Okay, that's the packaging. So I do not know. I guess I should have pulled out something that tells me what it all is, but oh, perfect. Did you guys know scrunchies are coming back? I know. I love that. I am a scrunchie girl. Matter of fact, I have a scrunchie in my hair right now. Um, it doesn't pull your hair out. Oh, there's 3 of them. Oh, love it. Okay. That is going straight in my little hair kit. um, it doesn't pull your hair out. If you have long hair, I've used those big, thick, black, and, various colors hair bobbies. They just pull your hair out, and I'm so tired of pulling my hair. My hair is very long, and it's to the middle of my back now. And so these are what I'm using. They also don't make your head hurt, which sometimes the other ones hold it so tight that the scrunchies are so much better. And I keep thinking I never got rid of my scrunchies. Where are all my scrunchies from before? But I haven't found them. So, as we're unearthing our home right now, and we're moving things about, I am excited to see if I find my scrunchies. So this is Rhythm of the Rain Hair Mask and Scalp Detox. Oh, it smells good. All right, that's not a bad thing. I wonder if you can use this because I'm getting ready to color my hair. I've been trying. Let's see. It doesn't say, but I'll look it up online and see if you can use this on colored hair. I'm sure you can, except for the fact that it says detox. So that's the only reason. If it's I don't know. I just got to check it out, right? Okay, so here is, and I may end up giving it to one of my girls. We've got a birthday coming up this month, and so I love, the real reason I get these boxes, I very rarely keep hardly any of it. I give everything away. And sometimes I always wonder, like, do they know that that is really nice stuff? I mean, this is not Walmart, Target. This is different. Which is the great thing about this is you get to try things that you never would try. They're just too expensive. So, anyways. Love my kids, but I know them dearly. I'm going to wipe that off because I think my scissors I was using. So this is a cinnamon and spice. 12 Well Eye Shadow Palette. So let's see what this looks like. Yeah. No, my oldest is brown-eyed as well. I think there's only, and our youngest is dark, dark brown. So, I think brown, oh, it's pinks and browns. Yeah, no, this speaks mommy's name. There's a lot of glitter. I don't wear a lot of glitter, but kind of the older you get, the less glitter you wear, on your eyeshadow. It just really shows the wrinkles. For those of us, I love Laura Geller, so no, that's going to stay. I know. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. So two, and two I'll probably give away. So not bad, huh? 2 for 2. All right, so now we've got 2 more things here. So let's go with the big one first. Okay, I do not know what that is. Ooh, see, now look at the price of this. This box is like $30, $30-something dollars, and this was $69.50. I know. And this, I believe, is like a wrap of some sort. Let me see. I think that's what this is. And my daughter-in-law, who would have loved this, her birthday's already come and gone. So, but I have, like I said, I've got another birthday. Oh gosh, isn't that gorgeous? If you could feel this, it is so soft. Look at that. I love this. Let's see. Lucky Brand, Los Angeles. I was trying to see what it was made of, why it's so soft. If it's actual, yeah, let's see here. It is 53% polyester, 47% acrylic. Well, they just did it right. Oh my gosh. That is so nice. Ooh. Now, I have to be honest. Again, guys know I'm cheap. So I probably would never spend this much on a wrap. But would I enjoy one that's discounted? Yes, I would. Yes, I would. I would totally enjoy that. All right. Here we go. So this is Phase 0 Making Moves Blusher. I bet you it's going to be more of the rusts, which aren't my favorite. But my oldest daughter, is wearing more of these colors now. Yeah. Okay. It's her birthday this month. Guess who's going to get that? I think she would totally enjoy it. So Phase 0 Making Moves Blusher. Isn't that pretty? And I think it's because she has her daughter, or my granddaughter, is a ginger. So I think that's why. I think that's why she's gone that way. She used to always wear pink, and now she doesn't as much. Okay. Love this. Advanced Teeth Whitening VIP Edition. Own Your Smile. I guess you do it with your phone. How interesting. Huh. So it's been everywhere. Extreme Makeovers, Oprah, The Doctors, Larry King Live. And it is by Dr. Bill Dorfman. That's an interesting name. That's a name off of Monk, if you ever watch Monk. Vanilla Bean Lip Scrub. Okay. I love lip scrubs. Because of allergies, my lips are always kind of dry. So I really love lip scrubs. Let's smell it. Oh, it smells like vanilla or coconut kind of, what am I talking about? Suntan lotion. Like when I grew up going to the beach or whatever. So exfoliates brown sugar, raspberry seed, organic bamboo powder, moisturizes organic shea butter. That's probably why. Organic raspberry butter and organic aloe, renews with vitamin E and organic avocado oil. Happy birthday to me. I know. I'm keeping that way. I might give this away. I'm thinking I might, because I already have a good whitening system. We have anniversary coming up, so I'm going to give that to my husband. Okay, I love these. Guys, if you do a lot of food prep, so the great things about these is that they are labeled. This one is for fruits or vegetables. You can put your fruits on it. Shrimp or fish, poultry, and then beef. Well, we don't eat all those things, but we can totally use this. So they're nice and thin. They're bendable. They're perfect for a trip. Absolutely. These are the best things to take when you travel. So when we used to travel, we would stay in Hyatt houses so that we could have a kitchen. And that is exactly the kind of thing I would put in. And I think that is it. So not bad for Fab Fit Fun. And again, this is my Fab Fit Fun for winter 2020. And even though it's a little light, better late than never. And actually, works out pretty good because we have a lot of January birthdays and we have anniversaries. So I think there's a lot of good stuff here. All right, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. Do you get a FabFitFun box? If you would like one, I will try to put up a link, like an affiliate type link, so that, yeah, it'll kind of give you a discount and give me a little discount. So I'll see what I can find. And I used to have one. I think I still have one below, but if I don't, I'll get one. And these are great to get for gifts for others. So you get to look at it yourself and say, maybe I would try that. Maybe I wouldn't. You can even go in, if you go in enough time, you can say, I want this. I don't want that. I want this. I don't want that. They give you some options. They give you some add-ons you can add on at a major discount. And it's just a really good deal. And it's such top quality items that it always amazes me how they can do these, but they do. They're able to do this, and I'm always thankful for that. But seriously, for the price of this, that's probably the price of this. And definitely, this is twice the price of the kit itself. So, the box. So, amazing. But I hope you liked it. Again, leave a comment below. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. And, in the comments, let me know which one is your favorite. All right, friends. I pray your day is blessed. Sorry, didn't mean to get the light in your eyes. Blessed, creative, and lovely. And thanks so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it. I know a lot of you are crafters, and maybe this isn't your cup of tea, but I really do appreciate when you guys come by and you're so supportive. It's so kind of y'all. And I really do know for a lot of you, this may or may not be your thing, but hopefully you see things in here that make you think of something else, and that encourages you. All right, friends, I'll be talking to you soon. Y'all take care. Be safe. Love y'all. Bye-bye.